never give again. This is all expensive.
Because you're already a big girl, so no need.
But I'm playing. June, July, August. You wanna not play? No, I need to play with my toys because this is money. Expensive.
Oh, really? It's
Yeah.
okay. Shaking is scary.
What's saying is scary? You want it, but we have this way all but the toys.
Oh, I listen.
Never give anymore.
Okay, Mommy.
Never give anyone an inch of my toys. This is all my toys. And mommy said there's nothing.